Hey yo, it's boy Joe. Welcome back to Anomalous Coffee and Show you doing Cup of Flaw. Like an error in this system? Sure. Oh, that looks definitely like an error. Holy shit. It's bitter, sharp and jagged, like rust off a blade. My stomach twists as if the drink is trying to rewrite me from the inside. My reflection in the glass warps for a fleeting second. I think I see cracks. Insecurities 100%. Whoa! What the fuck? It's called an earring Cyclops. Is that a fucking eye? Oh. Oh, yeah, you are 100% a fucking Cyclops. Okay, then. Alright, that is the Cup of Flaw. If you enjoyed this episode, please stay tuned for the next video. Bye-bye.